Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be comparing two mini drones with great features and functionalities. In one corner, we have the Holy Stone mini drone, and in the other corner, we have the RADCLO mini drone with camera. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. Let's start with the price. The Holy Stone mini drone is priced at just $49, while the RADCLO mini drone with camera comes in at $65. Both drones offer great value for their price range, but if you're on a budget, the Holy Stone mini drone might be the better option for you. Next up, let's talk about flight time. The Holy Stone mini drone offers an impressive flight time of up to 21 minutes, thanks to its 3 included batteries. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone with camera comes with 2 800 mAh batteries, providing a flight time of up to 22 minutes. It's a close call, but the RADCLO mini drone takes the lead in this category. Now, let's discuss the camera capabilities of these mini drones. The Holy Stone mini drone does not come with a built-in camera, which might be a drawback for those looking to capture aerial footage. However, the RADCLO mini drone with camera features a 1080p HD 90 degrees adjustable lens. This allows you to capture breathtaking moments from a bird's-eye perspective. With the RADCLO mini drone, you can enjoy real-time panoramic views and easily share your photos and videos on social media. In terms of camera capabilities, the RADCLO mini drone takes the lead. Moving on to the features, both drones offer a range of exciting functionalities. The Holy Stone mini drone boasts features like toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It also has user-friendly functions like altitude hold and headless mode, making it suitable for beginners and kids. The RADCLO mini drone with camera, on the other hand, offers features such as high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and headless mode. It also has an altitude hold function for stable flight and high-quality footage. Both drones provide multiple functions to suit your needs, but the RADCLO mini drone offers a slightly wider range of features. Lastly, let's talk about portability and protection. The Holy Stone mini drone is described as mini and portable, making it easy to carry around for various activities. It also comes with propeller protection guards, ensuring the safety of both the drone and those around it. The RADCLO mini drone comes with a carrying case, making it convenient for outdoor travel. It also includes propeller guards and spare fan blades. Both drones offer portability and protection, but the Holy Stone mini drone's propeller guard provides additional safety for kids and beginners. Overall, the Holy Stone mini drone is praised for its affordability, long flight time, and user-friendly features. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone with camera is highly regarded for its high-quality camera, extended flight time, and versatile features. And that wraps up our comparison between the Holy Stone mini drone and the RADCLO mini drone with camera. Both drones have their strengths and are great options in their respective price ranges. The Holy Stone mini drone offers a budget-friendly option with an impressive flight time, while the RADCLO mini drone with camera provides a higher quality camera and a wider range of features. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.